The Galaxy65 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard by EPOMAKER is a compact yet powerful addition to their renowned aluminum keyboard series, offering a satisfying typing experience with its high-quality construction. The innovative ball-catch gasket mount design allows for easy customization, making it simple to tweak the keyboard for personal comfort and typing stability. With QMK firmware and VIA software, this keyboard provides extensive customization, allowing users to remap keys and record macros for enhanced gaming and productivity. The Galaxy 65 offers impressive wireless performance with its 4,000 milliampere-hour battery, enabling up to 200 hours of uninterrupted use without backlighting. The keyboard's south-facing RGB backlight provides vivid illumination from the typist's perspective, with customizable options for a personalized and immersive experience. Its durable construction features thick PBT keycaps with die-subbed legends, ensuring long-lasting clarity and compatibility with other MX keycaps for further personalization.